So I get a lot of questions about how the tubeless system is holding up. So it's been winter. I think my last ride was maybe November. Let's see, it's March 29th, I think. So the bike's been sitting since November to March. So what is that, 4 months, 5 months? And just putting it in for the first time. So 35 PSI. When I put it away, it's probably at 41 maybe-ish PSI. So yeah, 35, and we'll just fill it up back to 41 for the season, and should be good to go. But, you know, people ask, like, well, how good is it with both the sealant and the tape? You know, 6 PSI over 4 months and changing temperatures. I mean, yeah, it's perfect. 41 PSI, great. And now we're ready to ride. Do it. So as a comparison, let's go to my T7 that has just regular tubes and same or similar ride. I know for a fact that I put it away in November of last year with about 32 PSI in the rear tire here, 24.5. So basically the method of silicone sealant and tape loses just about the same pressure, if not a little bit less, than a regular tube installation would.